Hello everyone, welcome back to A to Z RC. Today we are going to go over which flight control board we're going to be using on our 250 quad. Now there are a lot of flight control boards out there, including the KK2 board, the CC3D board. What we're going to be using is the Naze 32 board. This is the one I've been using. I've had a really good experience with it. Seems to be really fast, and so this is the one we're going to be showing today. Now when you first buy this, it's going to be the board, and then you're going to have this 18 pin header and this 10 pin header, and you're going to have to actually solder those on. Now when you solder them on, make sure that the longest part is towards the back. This back one is the negative pin, and then the middle one is going to be the positive pin, usually indicated by a red wire. And the black one is obviously, or the ground wire is obviously a black wire. And the smallest pin here is your signal wire. And the wire usually coming off of that is typically a white wire or a yellow wire, depending on which brand of ESC that you're using. So let's show you how to do that real quick. I have just an ESC here. And after we've got it all soldered in, then you can see on the back here, there's some numbers. So the one furthest to the left is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a Naze 32 board will support up to 6 ESCs. So the first ESC is going to plug, and we're going to use, again, the ground wire is the dark one. The positive wire is the red one here in the middle, and the signal wire in this case is yellow. So the black is going to go towards the top, just like that. Plug it in for a nice fit. Okay, and there you have it. First ESC plugged in. Then you just continue 2, 3, and in our case on a 250 quad, we're just using 4, so that's all you have to plug in. Now on this 10 pin header, that is to connect your typical receiver. Now if you're using Spectrum and you just want to connect just your DSM-2 or DSM-X satellite, then we were going to show that in our next video. If you're just using a traditional receiver with your 250 quad, the Naze 32 package comes with this cable that will connect 6 pins straight to the receiver and have a pin that will stick straight into the 10 pin header. Now on this one, the negative pin or the negative wire is on the top left, followed by the positive, and then you will have a white signal wire, and that's indicated by this 1, 2, 3, and that will send a signal to your first, second, third, and fourth ESC. So, and those just continue here on the back. Now that we have our ESCs and our receiver plugged into the Naze board, we are ready to use this micro USB port and plug it into the computer. On another video, we will show you how to flash the firmware on the Naze board and how to navigate through the software. So I hope this helps, and we will see you there on that video.